The acromioclavicular joint is where the clavicle, the collarbone, attaches to the scapula, the shoulder blade. A direct blow to the shoulder can tear the ligaments that hold the end of the clavicle in place. This is known as an acromioclavicular injury or separated shoulder. Usually, acromioclavicular injuries are allowed to heal without surgery. However, in select cases, it may be beneficial to treat the injury with surgical repair. Acromioclavicular joint repair is done with the patient asleep, usually in a sitting position. Small incisions are made to access the shoulder using a camera known as an arthroscope. A guide is inserted through another incision and positioned under a bony prominence on the scapula known as the coracoid process. Using the guide, a hole is drilled through the clavicle and coracoid. Strong suture tape is passed through these holes. The clavicle is relocated to its correct anatomic position. The suture tape is fixed in place,